Now imagine it has been a long, exhausting day. All you want is to go home, eat a warm meal, and get some rest. So you place an order to your favorite nearby restaurant. But when you arrive, you still have to search for your order confirmation, tell the staff your order number, wait while they verify your details, and of course, stand in a long queue before finally getting your order. What if all that could disappear? Our group presents Smart AI drive-through system. Our solution uses a vehicle's number plate as the customer's unique identity. While placing the order, the customer simply enters the vehicle number and an estimated arrival time. As soon as the order is placed, the detail is directly sent to the restaurant dashboard. Employee can update the order status in real time, whether it's being prepared or ready for pickup. Before the customer arrives, the food is placed inside a temperature controlled smart locker and assigned a locker number, ensuring it stays fresh and ready for pickup. When the vehicle enters the drive-thru, a camera sensor captures the number plate. Using AI-powered OCR, the system reads the plate and matches it with the restaurant dashboard. If a match is made, a customer's details are displayed in the screen and an assigned locker is automatically unlocked. The customer simply collects their food and drives away. No searching for order number, no repeated verification, and no unnecessary waiting. For our prototype, we built a miniature drive-through system using toy car and seed XIAO ESP32S3 sensor, Firebase as the backend database, an OLED display to show customers information, and a servo motor to control the smart locker. We believe technology should simplify everyday life. This project isn't just about recognizing a number plate. It's about giving people something they can never get back, their time.